Unlocking the secrets of secondary dominance in music theory. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad applications. Today, we're exploring a concept that might sound complex at first but is incredibly engaging once you get the hang of it: secondary dominance. Whether you're a music enthusiast, an English learner keen on expanding your vocabulary, or someone interested in the theoretical aspects of music, this video is crafted just for you. So, let's demystify this concept together and add a new term to your English repertoire. At its core, the term secondary dominant refers to a chord that serves as the dominant, or V chord, to any chord other than the tonic, the I chord, in a given key. In simpler terms, it's like a chord that temporarily makes another chord feel like home, even if just for a moment, without changing the overall key of the piece. Imagine you're in the key of C major, where the dominant chord is G now. If you want to introduce a chord that leads strongly to the D minor chord, which is the E chord in C major, you can use A7, which is not naturally part of the C major key but serves as the dominant for D minor. This A7 is your secondary dominant, specifically leading to D minor. Secondary dominants are used for a variety of reasons in music, but their primary purpose is to enhance harmonic interest and progression. They introduce a temporary tension and resolution cycle within a piece, adding richness and color to the music. By using secondary dominance, composers and songwriters can create more complex and emotionally engaging compositions, making the music feel more dynamic and expressive. Identifying secondary dominance involves understanding a bit about music theory, specifically how chords are built and how they function within a key. A secondary dominant can be spotted by looking for chords that contain notes not typically found in the key being used. These chords often lead directly to their target chord, creating a strong sense of movement and resolution. For example, in the key of G major, if you come across an E7 chord that resolves to an A minor chord, the E7 is acting as a secondary dominant. It's introducing notes not originally in the G major scale to create tension, which is then resolved when it moves to A minor. Understanding secondary dominance opens up a world of possibilities for analyzing and creating music. By listening to or playing pieces from different genres, you can start to hear how secondary dominants contribute to the overall harmonic progression of a piece. From classical compositions to modern pop songs, secondary dominants play a crucial role in making music engaging and dynamic. Try to listen to a piece of music and identify any moment where the harmony seems to momentarily shift, creating a moment of tension that resolves beautifully. Chances are, you found yourself a secondary dominant at work. We hope this exploration into the world of secondary dominance has illuminated a new aspect of music theory for you. Remember, understanding concepts like these not only enhances your appreciation of music but also enriches your English vocabulary and communication skills, especially when discussing intricate subjects. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more fascinating topics with you. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, keep the music playing in your heart. See you in the next video.